All right. This has got to be a simulation that we're living in for sure this time. This time for sure. Iran has launched a retaliatory strike against Israel. Now, that's to be expected, but what is not to be expected and what is definitely a simulation is nothing has happened yet in terms of no impacts. So they're reporting that Iran launched a mass drone attack against Israel, drone and missile attack, and the missiles aren't going to arrive until the next couple of hours, maybe an hour at this point. I'm not sure, but I don't know, man. I've is this a thing? I've never heard this before, where we get reports about an attack before anything has. I mean, if they launch the missiles at Israel, I mean, I guess obviously it's gonna hit, but usually we hear afterwards, right? We hear, "Ooh, there's missile strikes in Israel." So that's how we doing it now. Like, you get hours advance notice. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't really know what's going on. All I know is it needs to stop raining. Um, this is the baby channel. The baby comment section below. Click on the like button, subscribe, smash that bell. Be well. What do you think happens next? They hit Iran. Iran is apparently striking back. Um, but what happens next? Israel returns another attack, and then Iran escalates further, and then America just sits on the sidelines. So America has been caping for Israel all along. So what's America gonna do when Israel starts getting hit hard? Right.